Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name again still remains Uromi Jusmal, known as the Grace Year Odyssey of this year. And this is evening edition of Lamentation. And in this Lamentation, I'm bringing to you, there is this video of this guy that I have watched, Deputy Jesus. Is his name on Twitter. He is trying on the unification of the Igbos. But there are incidences which have happened from Benin, especially within the Ubiaje area, Uromi, I mean to say, where the Uromians or Europeans or whatever you can call them resisted the terrorists, the human hunters, because they now assume them as hunters now. The human hunters living in the bush, where they resisted them and send them to justice. And if you go to North now, the noise that they are making is, it is Igbos, bring the Igbos, buy the Igbos. These are what the Northerners are saying. If you listen to Deputy Jesus very well, this guy is doing wonderfully well in campaigning the Igbo unification. I love it. I love the work he do. Whenever I watch him, I feel joy in the Igbo unification that he is doing. Despite the fact he is not from the 5 areas that you call Southeast. Useless. They wanted to divide us. So what happened in Uromi? The Northerners and even the Yorubas are saying it is the Igbos. Everything they want to lay it on the Igbos. But these are the people who said that these people are South. Now, when Uromi people get angry and resisted, all the internet are saying it is the Igbos, So they knew that these people are Igbos. They are not telling these people. They are telling them that you are South, Middle Belt, just to divide them. But whenever there is something that they commit, they becomes Igbo. Please listen to Deputy Jesus. And I would always tell you at the end of this video, I am going to address something. But please pay very close attention and listen to this very man. He is making a hell lot of sense. And don't go and play with the Igbos. Because if you play, you might get it in a hard way. At the end of this video, let us address the issue. Please.
I use the word we are not smart. Some people think that we are insulting Nigerians. The word we means that I included myself. And I was a victim of it because I never believed when Buhari said that Nigerians are lazy. Not to believe that Nigerians truly are lazy. Look at what is happening in Uromi today. An Hausa man made a video, agreed that he knows that Uromi people are not Igbos. Yet he's finding a way to include the Igbos that are part of Biafra. If the intention is to make sure that you kill the Igbos, if the intention is always to bring the Igbos into every conversation of anything that happens in Nigeria, then something is fishy. Of course, I understand seeing from the comment section that all of you are tagging everybody from the south as infidel, but you are forgetting that some of your brothers are still here. Let me give you an example. Look at this post. This is made from an Yoruba person telling the people that if they are looking for the Benins, they should not kill only the Benin. They should also kill the Igbos because now they tell them what thing they go do. Me too, I know the war we are fighting with the Benins every day. Where they will call us slave and insult us that, hey, Igbo people mean slave, this and that. Suddenly, when a Benin man commits crime, and Awuchi man commit crime, you want to also bring the Igbos into the matter. This typically shows that the Igbos are a big name. Recently, Ikwere has issue. Ikwere that are denying, Ikwere know people that are protesting everywhere. Ikwere has an issue with Ijo. Igbo matter, join them. Even Ijo has an issue. See, during Jonathan time, that they called Jonathan an Igbo person. Everybody must sing Igbo into the matter. shows that Igbos is a big name. See, and this is why I'm telling the Ilebinu people that even after this issue, any Igbo blood is shared because they say Uromi people are not Igbos. Then I'm gonna tell you for free that automatically Uromi will become an Igbo land. You can't be killing Igbos whenever anything happens, but after you claim that you are not Igbo. If Igbo man die for this matter, that land becomes Igbo land because you can't kill Igbos and tag them in all this thing. I'm saying this so that you people will wake up. Why are you not speaking again? Why are you hiding? Are you cowards? Are you afraid of Fulani? Can't you come out and say, we'll be Uromi people, we'll be Awuchi, we'll not be Igbo? Come and kill us. Anywhere you see us, kill us. Leave Igbo people alone. Why are you people not saying it again? The Benin people that are claiming everybody, they own the whole Nigeria. British recognize Benin. Now, no Benin influencer is talking again. All these keypad warriors that are online claiming descendant and ancestor. We cannot hear any of you, Pim. We cannot hear, including Yoruba. Nobody is saying anything. Can't you open your mouth and say, this is happening in our state. Now we won't fight the war with Fulani. Now we commit the crime. Why are you hiding under Igbo now? All of you are down quiet. Igbo go fight on a fight. Una go the vest. But this is an action speaks louder than a voice. Look at the post now. Look at all the, see, I'll be posting it one after the post and read them. All the old comments here are targeted to Igbos. Suddenly, Uromi in Edo State has become Igbo land. And when we say, Igbo get Uromi now, when I go say, no, Igbo people want to dominate, they want to claim our land. Now because we get Kudai, now we be South. Now South don't quiet. No single person from the Osa, including your governors, no one is speaking again. Including their kings, no one is speaking again. Are they scared of Fulani? Now Igbo people are now standing with the Uromi people. And tomorrow you come and claim, say, no, I get the place. Thunder will fire you, eh? You will not pity all of you. Anytime you come and tell me that Igbo, thunder will fire all of you. Better thunder. Cowards. Can't you come out now and defend your people? Can't you come out now? Anytime issue happen in Nigeria will find a way to drag the Igbos into it. Because Igbo is a big name, Igbo big persona. All of you are looking for a way to diminish Igbo, to kill the Igbos. All of you are looking for a way to drag Igbo into the matter. All of you are just looking away. What did Igbo people do to you? Which kind of wickedness is this? These are devil's arts on top of you people. The one that will be claiming that they are superior to Igbo. Now you don't reach matter, you are hiding under Igbo. You don't want to talk again, say you are different. So that they will kill Igbo people. That's why I pity some of my normal people. They will come and be bearing Igbo name. Bearing Igbo name, committing a crime with Igbo name, they will attack Igbo people. But if you come home, you'll be denying I'm not an Igbo person. Thunder will fire you and thunder will fire all of you. You'll be spoiling Igbo people's name, but when it comes to the matter, you say you are not Igbo. I said it in my video, simple English. It looks like a lion does not mean it's a lion. It's a proverbial word, a phrase used to describe person. He acts like a lion doesn't mean that the man is a lion. No. I said that the Northerners see you as an Igbo person doesn't mean I'm saying you're Igbo. Some of you are in my comment section disgracing your father's school fees. Even a nursery school child knows what I'm saying. That they see you as an Igbo, they tag you as an Igbo. Doesn't mean that I say that you're an Igbo person. You're in my comment section disgracing yourself. By the way, my post is to balance the equation. The Northerners now that are angry that they killed the 16 Fulani people. Did you see all the posts that was made before now? That the Fulani have been killing people in the same Uromi? See it in the comment section. I'm showing it here. Not one, not two, not three. And this is to point accusing finger to your government. Because now all your headers are keeping quiet. All of them are keeping quiet. Nobody is coming out to speak now, including I have been saying this in without numbers. Hold your governors accountable. Your governor quickly go suspend the vigilante. But when this report we are coming out, just like the report are coming out now that Northerners are trying to say they want to revenge, none of them will take it serious until Nigeria set themselves ablaze. They come and be saying they want to arrest people. Police will not go arrest people now that are making this comment, inciting violence from the northern side. Selective injustice will always bring jungle justice. I'm out of here, John.
Okay, oh. You people have heard what this guy is saying, Deputy Jesus. Nanka Atomiche. Deputy Jesus, you package them well. Oh, I'm not Igbo. I am South South. But anytime there is crime, bam, then go drag Igbo. If Igbos go to, okay, imagine Igbos are talking about Biafra. Biafra starts from Benin. They say, oh, we are not Igbo. How can you add Benin? But each time there is crime, then go add Igbo. Now that time, they go tell you, say, even Igbo land extend to Benin. Imagine the Yorubas. We are looking for freedom. You are also looking for freedom. When I talk about Yoruba, many people thought, oh, it is out of hatred. Look, my elder sister too is Yoruba. So when I talk about Yoruba, I talk about the hateful side, those who have the myopic side. Imagine them saying, oh, the North, whenever you want to look for people to buy the Igbos, because the Igbos now don't they tell Onoba. But I thought that you people said, oh, Duduwa is the one that gave birth to the Oba. So the Igbo now they tell the people, your brothers, waiting they go do. Imagine that black mind. Target the Igbos anywhere that there is crime in Nigeria. Target the Igbos. And this one is not even crime. Fulanis have been killing people. How many people wake up? Even all those Benin influencers, we are doing cultism. Upon all your cultism, they are killing your brothers. Your cultism have gone moots. You cannot use that Ayasman. You cannot use Eye. You cannot use Buccaneer. You cannot use 22B. You cannot use all those useless cults to stand for your own people. Where you want to stand is where you will milk your own people. In cultism, it is called freedom fighters. It has lost the original meaning. That the people, the founding fathers said, oh, we want to establish this because of the freedom. You people have abandoned your brothers, abandoned your sisters, abandoned your families. Now, on the Igbo. When this war go over now, when the Igbos say, oh, our land is sent to Benin, they will say, oh, you want to drag us in your useless Biafra. You want to drag us. Igbos are too domineering. But when there is crime, una go add Igbo man in everything. That is the reason why we don't dare sit down the look. This nonsense, Fulani killing, do it in our land, you see. Are you not seeing? Hit and run. Not be only hit and run. We will find you, no matter the bush that you hide. We will find you and bring you to book. You don't need to kill our people anymore. Every time you come in, kill our people. And when our people retaliate, they become human hunters. They become hunters. Oh, you killed hunters. But when they come from the same bush to kill our people, they become humans. Onye ka na aghori, onye ka na agwa. Before you take a gun, come into my community, who signed it? So anyone can take gun and enter anywhere. That is what they are telling us. Imagine that nonsense. Never again. In this generation, never again can this nonsense happen. Never again. It is before. Look at the people that are intimidating us are these people traveling with, look at them climbing 911 like monkey. Just look at how human beings are traveling. When they travel like this, they come into our land to come and intimidate us. And you, as a full grown-up man, you are afraid of these monkeys and baboons who come from Sahel to intimidate you. Look at as full grown-up human beings said that they are traveling. Just look at the way that they are traveling. Just tell me if these are the way human beings travel. I am a man, Uromi Jews, one of it very kind. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. Nothing but the undiluted truth. These are the people, supposedly you call them human beings. These are your human beings. These are the people that we are afraid of. Jumping 911 like monkey. When they come into our region, they become Jagaban. They would want to intimidate you. They would want to intimidate your kings. They would want to intimidate your people. These are the people. We say never again. So thank you, Deputy Jesus, for you highlighted that to the point that I love very much. I love your videos, and I will try as much as possible to bring your videos here so that our people can get hold of it and know that never again is now. You can no longer kill and intimidate us anymore. You can't. We are the Igbo people. Ndị Igbo ọhịa Igbo. You can no longer kill and intimidate us. Not now, not tomorrow, not never. It doesn't matter what you believe in. It doesn't matter what you think about. Never again. The time that you did that have gone. The time you did that have gone. Now we are standing shoulder to shoulder. His teaching time saves 9. Ọkwa ime anyị emegwara onwekwa onye chiri aka ya na korota onwekwa onye amụrụ mmụọ ya with the Bible. Because most of you say, oh, they are Christians, therefore you can prosecute them. Anyị alaghachikwa n'azụ n'ọdịnala na nke ikpeazụ anyị achagokwa anyị. Ọkwa ịpịa anyị dawa ya, ịpịa gị dede. Ịpịa dede, ịpịa gị dede. Ọkwa ihe ndị Igbo bụzi na. Never again. And don't play. Don't go and play. Don't go and play with the Igbos. Don't go and torment us. If you torment us, we will reply. And our reply, you may not like it. Thank you. Long live Biafra people.